have discussed about built-in functions, arithmetic functions in spreadsheet. Using the macro options, we can record the database. So explain the steps for creating the macro. 5 marks question first. So next concept we have, how do you delete a macro? Again, you just select the tools. So now I will show you how to find the chart in Excel spreadsheet. Hello everyone, I am Shweta, Computer Science Faculty, Vidyashram College, Mysuru. In my last session, I have discussed about built-in functions, arithmetic functions in spreadsheet. So now I will discuss about macros. What is a macro? Macro is a small program that carries out predefined and pre-recorded series of steps by giving a few keyboard shortcuts or by running the macro name. So here in macro, you can find the predefined and pre-recorded series of steps. So in macros, you can record the data for future reference. So using the macro options, we can record the database or we can analyze the data in macros. So how to open the macros? So explain the steps for creating the macro. 5 marks question. First, select the tools and go to macro option and record new macro. And this opens the record macro dialog box. Specify the macro name and keyboard shortcut. So here you can select the macro options in your tabs and go to the record macro. So you can select record macro dialog box. So you can give the macro names and then click OK. A very small stop recording toolbar will appear on the screen. After you click on the macro dialog box, so you'll get in ribbon, you'll get stop recording options. So you can just click on the stop recording. So you can stop the record. So you can now proceed on the record your macro. Just perform all the essential steps to complete your particular task. So how to open the macros? So first select the tools macro and record new macro and give the macro document name and just click OK button and you will get in the ribbon, you will get stop recording. So after the completion of macro recording, you just click on the stop record macro. So you can record the data in macros. Explain the steps for creating the macro. So after the modification of data, you can just click on stop recording button available on the stop recording toolbar. I will show you with demo and run the macro by using keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus key, or select tools macros. Select macro name that you want to execute. So you just select the macro name which you want to execute. So these are the steps for creating a macro. So next concept we have, how do you delete a macro? Again, you just select the tools macro and macros, select the macro name. So which name you are going to delete? You just select the macro name and click on delete button. And mention the types of databases. So you just click on the databases. So which database you need to delete? You just click on the database name and you will get two options called internal database and external database. So you can delete this internal database or external database in macros. And the last concept in this chapter is chart. So what is this chart? So chart is a pictorial or graphical representation of numeric data. So here in Excel sheet, we can find the numeric data using this charts. So we have different types of charts, that is pie chart, bar chart, line chart, etc. The main advantages of chart is data is very effective and interesting and various formatting options are available in charts. And it is easy to understand, easy to analyze and compare data. So we can compare the data. So here using the charts, we can analyze the data, we can modify the data easily. So chart is a pictorial representation or graphical representation of numeric data. So we have different types of charts here: line chart, bar chart, column chart, pie chart, area chart. So we can use these type of charts in Excel spreadsheet. So what is the role of these charts? So we can analyze the data, we can modify, and the data should be effective and we can easily understand the data using this chart. And what are the steps to create a chart? So to create a chart, you just select all the cells containing data including labels. First, you need to select the entire data and click the Insert tab. First, you select the data and you just click the Insert tab. Select any type of the charts group. A list of charts types appears. And click any chart option and chart will be created depending upon your choice. First, you need to select the data and just click on the Insert tab and just select which type of chart option you need to add. So I will show you with small demo. So first, go to the Start button and select Excel and blank sheet. So now I will show you how to find the chart in Excel spreadsheet. So first I will create a small data in Excel sheet. I will prepare employee database. Employee 1, employee 2 and employee 3, employee 4 and salary, ID number and address. So first you need to prepare the details of this employees, and here I'll write the ID number and address. So here I will prepare some other data. So here you just select the entire data and go to the Insert button, and here you have charts. You can select many different types of charts and you will get this type of charts. So for this data, I will get this type of charts. So it represents the pictorial representation of a numeric values. So this is your type of chart. So you can select any type of charts called line chart, bar chart and pie chart also you can select. So this is your charts. If you want, you can select many type of charts are there here. Pie chart, if you want to select this pie chart, you can go for this pie chart. This is your 3D pie chart, and if you want, you can change the series. You just observe this and you can divide this, and also you can explosion also you can find, and if you want you can join it again, and you can increase the rotation angle of first slice. You can change the angle of this pie chart. So this is the way of presenting the chart. And if you want, you can select the line chart also here. So you have different types of charts. So which one you want, you can choose the chart type. And how to find the macros in Excel sheet. So first select the options. So here we have options. So which option you need? Also you can minimize this chart, and also you can find the statistical functions in Excel spreadsheet. So how to find the statistical functions? So you can find minimum value, maximum value, average and etc. So here I will find how to find the mod value. So here we have 54 and 22. How to find the mod value? So is equal to mod of, so what is the cell address here? D4 colon E4. So I will give D4 and E4. So now I will show you how to find the mod value. Example, I will take 5 and 3 is equal to mod of, what is the cell address? E4 colon F4, right? And just close the bracket. With this, we have end of this chapter called worksheet, Excel spreadsheet. So in my next session, I will come with a new concept called web designing. Thank you.